Anyone did the questions? Homework questions? Hmm? Nobody did? Please tell me yes or no. At least say yes or no. If you have not done, at least say no. At least I should have some idea. Hmm? How many of you have done the questions? Okay, I got the two answers. Sorry, sir. अच्छा ठीक है हैदर, ठीक है बच्चे, ठीक है साथ, ठीक है. Don't know what. Just a second. So I don't think so that more questions are there on the single topic of accelerations. Okay. So we will do the mixed numericals. So let's start the new topic because I don't see any specific question based on acceleration. Okay, so now it's time to understand the equations of. Anam, this is your second class, Nadir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, Anam, so don't worry about this thing. Okay, so Anam, this is a completely new topic. ठीक है? And I will tell you all of I will tell you all the terms related to this thing. ठीक है? Don't worry. And I will take schedule your backup as well for the remaining topics. Okay, Anam? So just be comfortable. If you are able to grasp at least 30 or 40%, be in the class. Okay, try to understand. Okay, Anam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay, so it's completely independent topic. Yes, it's a little bit relatable, but I will try to explain in a much easier manner so that you can understand it properly. Okay. So,
Okay.
so basically, bacho, so equations of motions is the topic in which we will understand the relationship of the different quantities associated in the motion of an object. So you must have seen that distance is also present in the motion of an object. Yes or no? Speed is also associated. Yes or no? Everybody say interact with me. At least interact with me. Say yes or no. So
Yes,
that you
sir.
can. Okay. And next thing that you have is basically time is also there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Yes, sir.
acceleration is also there. Acceleration means how fast your body is moving, like how fast your body is increasing its speed. Okay. So these are the terms somehow we have to connect them. So that's why three equations of motions are there in our syllabus that is given by Newton. And this whole motion chapter, like when you will go in the 11th standard as well, this whole motion chapter is completely based on three equations. Uniform accelerated motion. So these three equations are valid for uniformly accelerated motion. These are not valid for non-uniformly accelerated motion. Okay. Keep this thing in mind. Your motion is uniformly accelerated. Okay. Just a moment. I'm writing so that you can understand this thing. The equations are valid in uniformly accelerated motion. Accelerated motion. So everyone, please don't miss the next class because next class is also very important because we will start the graphical representation and the. Okay, so I'm requesting to all of you, please attend the class on a regular basis, uniformly accelerated motion. And revise as well. Okay, so the equations of motions are valid in uniformly accelerated motion. Okay, everyone. First equation of motion that is given to you is V is equals to U plus AT. UV is equals to U plus A into T. ठीक है? Next equation is, I will tell you all the things, what V, what U, what A, and what E. Okay, so next equation, that is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Okay. Third is V square U minus U square is equals to 2AS. So these are the three relationships that is established or that is present in the syllabus. Okay. So let's understand one by one what basically V, what basically U, and what is basically about the A and T. Okay. Some different terms. Okay. So U, first of all, U is your initial speed or velocity. So in some questions, like basically we do represent velocity and speed with the same term. So that is U. Okay, it depends. Question to question is that question is using velocity or speed. Okay, so just keep this thing in mind. If you don't get confused that if U is used for speed, so what will be used for V? So both are same, right? So both are denoted by same initial speed. Okay. Next is V. That is final speed. Final speed is the speed, or let me write down velocity as well in the bracket. Final velocity or final speed is the speed with which that object has completed its journey. Okay, the time at which we have ended the observation. Okay, so final speed by, sorry, final speed or velocity. Next is that is T. So T is time taken to cover the distance. Yes or no, everyone? Time taken.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. Time taken. Okay. A is the acceleration. Okay, everyone. Acceleration, and S is lift. So S is used for distance and displacement. It depends on the question to question with what is the reference of the question. So we will use according to that. Okay. Please, everyone, tell me, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Distance and displacement. Displacement. Is this clear to all of you? Please tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Any doubt so far to you? Anyone?
No,
Please
sir.
let me know.
No, sir. No, sir.
These are the initials used to denote the different quantities present. Okay, present in the equations of motion. Okay, everyone. So we have to analyze the question, which equation of motion is suitable. Okay, so I'm not saying that you have to use only 1, 2, or 3. No, you can use all the three, but it depends from question to question. You have to analyze. Once you will be starting to solve the question, you will get accustomed to it and you will solve according to that. Right, everyone? Is this clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
At least say.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, so let's do
Yes,
the
sir.
first question. Okay, based on this, and understand what are the things given and which equation we have to use. That is V. Sorry, here is the first question of this topic first. Okay. Okay. So this question is saying a scooter acquires a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after the start. So the scooter has basically gained some velocity of 36 km per hour after the start. So according to you, bacho, what will be the initial velocity if the scooter has started just after the start? Means that scooter was in rest before observing, and just after the journey, the scooter has started. So what should be the initial velocity?
Zero.
Zero,
Zero.
zero,
Zero.
zero.
Zero, sir.
Okay,
Zero.
zero. Yes, absolutely right. So zero will be the initial velocity, because you can see this thing that scooter has gained after this start. It means that it was in rest before that. Okay, zero. Final velocity is 36 kilometer per hour. So everyone, you can see this thing. Time is given is in SI units. Okay. So we have two options. Either we choose to convert this time into hours so that we can calculate the acceleration of the scooter in hours. Kilometer per hour square. Okay. Or we have the option to convert this thing into meter per second and then basically calculate the acceleration in meter per second square. Okay. So we should it's easier to convert this thing into smaller unit, because 10 seconds is a small unit. And again, if you go into take into the basically if you convert it into hours, so it will be a smaller. So we will do the conversion of speed. So that is 36. How many of you have done how many of you do have the idea how to convert these in kilometer per hour into meter per second? There is a number in the
5/18.
5 of
5/18.
18. 5 by 18. Who told the answer?
5/18.
5 by 18. Okay, everybody knows it. That's a very good thing. So 5 by 18. 18 is the number that is there. Okay, so it will be meter per second. So this will cancel this twice. So 10 meter per second is the value that is coming out to be. Okay, meter per second. Time is already given to you, 10. And we need acceleration. So how many quantities are given? So basically in every equation, 4 quantities are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, and acceleration is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So
Yes,
in
sir.
every equation, we have 4. We have 4, you can say quantities. So in this question, we have got the 3 quantities. We need to find the acceleration. We got initial velocity, we got final velocity, and we got time. Time is seconds. Okay. So everyone, okay. So now please tell me which equation I should use. I should go with. I need to find the acceleration. So acceleration is present in all the 3. I don't have distance. So these 2 will be eliminated already. I don't have distance now. I have only final velocity and initial velocity, right? So I will go with the first equation. Yes or no, everyone? Because the other 2 have involved the distance or displacement term, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we will go with the first equation, that is V equals to U plus AT. So I need A. So A will be equals to V minus U by T. So as you can see this thing, this is also the formula of acceleration that we have done in the previous topic. A equals to V minus U by T. The change in speed or velocity with respect to time. The change in velocity with respect to time, rate of change of velocity. Okay. So that is acceleration is initial velocity is 10 minus 0 by 10. So that is coming out to be 10 by 10 is equals to this cancelled 1 meter per second square. This is the answer. Please tell me if this is clear to you so far.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to anybody till now? Please let me know once.
No, sir.
Is this clear?
No, sir.
So it
Yes,
means
sir.
that,
Yes, sir.
okay, so keep this thing in your mind that if the body is starting from rest, it means that your
Yes,
initial
sir.
velocity will be 0. And suppose everybody, your body was already in motion since you have since you have started the motion, observing the motion basically, and your body stops after some time. So what will be the final velocity? Because you already had the initial velocity in that case. So your final velocity would be 0. Okay. Everyone, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
It means that suppose
Yes, sir.
that your body was already moving. This is a
Yes,
car.
sir.
Your body was already moving with some initial velocity, because since like you have started observing, you have started the observation of that body, and that body was actually moving. Okay, but after some time, the body has stopped. Okay, so now what will be the final velocity in that case?
0.
Zero. Yes, absolutely correct. So zero will be the final velocity. Okay. Clear, everyone? Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Chalo,
Yes.
okay, ठीक है. Let's do one more question. So this question is based on the retardation. So if the question is based on retardation, retardation means the acceleration in the opposite direction. It means that you are in motion, but now you have to be in rest. That's why you apply that's why retardation comes into the picture. So what will be the sign of the retardation? Can you tell me? What will be the sign of the acceleration if the retardation is happening? Negative or positive?
Negative.
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 Negative. Yes, absolutely negative, because you are going in this direction. If you want to stop, you should apply some acceleration in this direction to get stopped. Everyone, Furkan, Samia, Heather, Saad, Rafe, Bharti, Anam, and Samia. Is this
Yes.
clear to all of you? Please let me know
Yes,
once,
sir.
bacho.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
sir.
great. So a train is brought to rest. Is brought to rest. It means that it was in motion actually. It was in motion actually. It's okay. So it means that some initial velocity will be there as well. Okay. We don't have initial velocity right now because we have to find this thing. Okay. The next thing is that it basically comes in rest after 20 seconds. So time taken to come in rest is 20 seconds. Find the retardation, find the initial velocity if the retardation is 2 meter per second square. So acceleration is given to you minus 2 meter per second square due to the negative opposite nature. And final velocity, what will be the final velocity? Please tell me what will be the
Zero.
Okay, zero. What about rest of you, bacho?
So 0.
Zero. What about other Bharti, Samya, Anam, Heather,
Will be
Saad?
0.
Zero.
Sir.
Yeah,
So
actually
0.
brought to rest means actually zero. Clear? So that will be zero. Very good. Okay, zero. So let's up now. We have four quantities. I need the fourth one. Three quantities are already given. So which, okay, okay, Heather, very good. So which equation should I use? Should I use? I have got the three quantities. I need to, please tell me which equation should I use?
V equals 0 plus 80.
Yes, absolutely correct, Heather. V equals to U plus 80. Because I don't need any like there isn't any speed or distance mentioned in the question. Okay. So that will be V equals to is 0. V is all is 0 and U is we need to find out minus 2 into 10. Okay. Sorry, 20. It's 20. Okay. So 0 will be equals to U minus 40. So actually U will be equals to 40 meter per second will be your answer. Please let me know if this is clear to all of you, bacho.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far to
Yes, sir.
anybody?
No, sir. No, sir.
Chalo, theek hai, that's great. So I'm giving you one question. Okay, please at least try and find out which equation you should use. I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this one and let me know the answer, bacho. Okay, Anam, that's great. Anam, do you have any doubt or you have done the question, dear?
Sir, I have done.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So are you like it's completely understandable by you?
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's great. That's a very good thing. Okay, I got one more answer. Let me check who got the. So that's great. Heather. Anam, please let me know the answer in the chat as well if you are done with the question, dear. ठीक है भारती, ठीक है. No issues. ठीक है, Anam. That's great. That's good. Okay, I got one more answer by Samya. ठीक है, Samya. That's very good. Okay, everyone. So everybody is doing very good. Okay, that's good. Okay, Rafa, that's very good. So everybody has given the answer. Okay, chalo, that's great. Okay, so let's understand this question and do the solution of this question. Okay. So question is saying everyone that a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second. Okay, it's always better to start basically start analyzing the question and breaking down into pieces. Okay, rather than going with the whole one go. Okay, so so till this point the question has given the value of acceleration that is a equals to 4 meter per second square. Okay. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after the start? So the question is saying start, so initial velocity should be 0, yes or no, everyone? And t should be equals to 10 seconds as given in the question. I need to calculate the distance. I have got the three quantities and okay. So now in this question, I don't have final velocity. So I have to pick one equation in which final velocity is not given. So in the other two equations, I have final velocity. In the second one, I don't have final velocity. Okay. So I will be choosing second equation, that is S equals to ut plus half it is square. Okay. So S we need to calculate. U is U into 10. And just a moment, plus half acceleration is 4 into 10. Okay, 10 square. Okay, so this will cancel this twice a time and this will become 0. Okay, and this will be equals to 2 into 100 is equals to, so 200 meter is the answer that is coming. Please let me know, everyone, is this is clear to you or not? Any doubt so far to anybody? Please let me know once.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, I'm giving you one more question. Let's see which equation you should use. Okay, to solve this one. In some of the question that will be given to you that whether the acceleration is negative or not. Okay, so but in some of the question retardation or deacceleration word is used. Okay, so you have to understand this thing. Yeah, do this one and let me know the answer in the chat, everyone. So is everybody getting my point? Is this completely clear to all of you, this topic so far?
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's great. Okay, everyone. Okay. Please solve this one. Okay, I got was first one. Okay, Anam, that's very good. What about rest of you, bacho? Okay, Heather, that's very good, dear. Okay, Samia, that's very good. What about Rafe, Heather? Sorry, Heather, Saad, Bharti. Okay, Bharti. It's very good. Okay, one more answer by Saad. Acha, theek hai, Saad. No worries. No worries, dear. Okay, one more answer by Rafe. Theek hai, Rafe. So is anybody left to answer? I don't think so. Okay, so chalo, koi baat nahi. So those who are left and those who are not able to solve, don't worry. Okay. So go. Sorry. Question is saying a scooter moving at a speed of 10 meter per second is stopped by applying brakes. It means that the scooter has stopped. Okay. So initial velocity, some initial velocity were there of this scooter that was 10 meter per second. Is this clear to all of you? Please let me know once. Saad, Rafe, Heather, Bharti, Anam.
Yes.
Okay. So that is 10 meter per second. So initial velocity was 10 meter per second. Per second is stopped. So initial velocity is 10 meters per second, and after it has stopped, so what should be the final velocity? It should be zero, everyone, because the object has stopped. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it has produced a uniform acceleration of negative 0.5. It means that it is a deacceleration. Okay. So acceleration is given to you. That is negative 0.5 meter per second square. Okay. What should be the distance covered before it stopped? S. So everyone, we have two equations in which distance is associated. Okay. So in distance, we have two equations. So the second equation involves time, but in this equation, we don't have time. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yes, we can calculate the time, and using the first equation, then we can use the second equation to calculate. So why do we need to do such complex calculation if the third equation is already satisfying the conditions, right? So that's why we will do the second equation, v square minus u square to as. Okay. And so v square will be 0. Square minus u square is 10 is equals to 2 into negative 0.5 into s. Okay. So negative sign is there. So 10 square is negative of 100 is equals to negative of 1 into s. So this minus will cancel this thing. So s is coming out to be 100 meter. Please let me know if this is clear to all of you or not. Those who are not able to
It is
understand,
clear.
it is absolutely clear to all of you, bacho?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's great. That's great. Yes, somebody is saying to say something. Is there anyone who is not clear? Yes or no, bacho?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completely sure?
Yes, sir.
Chalo,
Yes,
theek hai.
sir.
Okay, I'm giving you one more question. Let me know the answer. Because this chapter is totally based on the numericals. Like most of the times you have to face numericals. So that's why we will do the numerical portion as much as we can. So everyone, I will be sharing a book with all of you, okay? And that is a PDF of a reference book. Okay, so that is a very good book, and in that book, you can find explanation, real world examples, as well as the numericals, MCQs, subjective questions, all like more and more. So that is a very good book to practice. Okay, so you can practice. I am not saying that you have to practice the whole book. So there is no need to practice whole book, but you can at least do some MCQs. Okay, from that. Okay, everyone, and do some short types question like 2 marker or 3 marker questions. Okay, so that will give you a boost in your to understand the concept. Okay, so okay, you will get the book after this class. Okay, PDF book. That is a PDF book, and it's a very good book. I've already used this book in my 9th and 10th standards for me itself. When I was in 9th and 10th, I've already used this book, and that is a very good book to all of you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Heather gave me the answer. Firstly, chicken. Okay, one more answer by, let me check. Saad. ठीक है Saad. What about Bharti? Anam? Bharti said ठीक है. Okay, Bharti. Rafe. Samia. Okay, Samia. Okay, Samia. Good. Rafe.
Sir.
Rafe, is this not Clear to you that this question here you are not able to
Sir,
solve
I'm
it?
doing, I'm typing
Acha,
down.
check, Rafa. Okay. Anyone want to answer? Anam, did you solve the question here?
Sir, I am solving it.
Okay, check it. Check. Yeah, I got one more answer. Rafi said, okay, Rafi. Chalo, ठीक है. Let's solve it together. Okay, I got one more answer by Anam. ठीक है, Anam, that's correct. Okay, everyone. So that's good. Okay, let's solve it together. So this question is saying that a bus is increase its speed from 20 kilometer to 50 kilometer. Okay. So initial velocity, initial is 20 kilometer per hour. So to basically convert this into meters per second, I will just 5 by 18 meter per second. So that is 10 and that is 9. Okay, so that is 50 by 9 meter per second. Okay. V is 50 meter per hour. Okay. So 50 by 5 by 18. So that is 9 again, and that is 25, right? So it is coming out to be 125 by 9 meter per second. Time given to you is 10 seconds. Okay. So now it's time to calculate the acceleration. So acceleration says that A is equals to the change in speed divided by time. Yes or no? That is the formula of acceleration, bacho. Is this clear to you
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So V is given to you is 125 by 9 minus 50 by 9 divided by time. That is 10 seconds. Okay. So 125 minus, so as you can see, 9 is the like common denominator. So it the LCM would be 9. So 125 minus 50 divided by 10. So okay. So it is coming out to be 75 by 9 divided by 10. As you can see, this is a double division. So 10 will go in the denominator. Okay. So 75 by 9 into 10. So this will cancel this by 3 times, and 25. This will cancel with 5 times. This will 2 times. So this is coming out to be 5 by 6. So it is coming out to be 0.83 meter per second square. This is the value. Is this clear to all of you or not? Please let me know once.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubt so far to anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure?
No, sir.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, let's do some more MCQs based on this topic, and then we'll end this topic. Okay. Like some more numericals I will do in the next class. Okay. Okay, just a second. Okay, let's do some MCQs. Yes, everyone. So this is the question. These are the questions. Please answer them. Please answer in one message only. Okay. No need to answer in the individuals. ठीक है ना. Okay. Okay, Anam. Okay, what about okay, Anam? Take care. Please answer everyone fast. Okay, Samia. Okay. Let's check which of the following is correct. ठीक है, Bharti. Okay. Okay, Heather, that's good. Chalo, ठीक है. Okay, so most of the saying option push like students are saying same. Chalo, ठीक है, that's great. Bharti, you have also, so that's also great, Bharti. Okay, Heather. Rafe, Saad, please tell me the answer. Furkan, are you there, Furkan? Furkan? I think she has left the class. Okay. Okay, Rafe. Anybody left? Chalo, ठीक है. Let's solve it together. So question is saying a bus has increased its velocity from 36 kilometer per hour to 72 kilometer per hour. So U is 36. Okay, one more answer I got. ठीक है साथ. ठीक है. So that 36. That is 36 into 5 by 18. That is 2 times cancelled. So that is coming out to be 10 meter per second. Okay. V is 72 kilometer per hour. So that is 72 into 5 by 18. So this cancels this 4 times. So that is 20 meter per second. So time given is 10 seconds. Okay. Time given is 10 seconds. So according to the formula of acceleration is v minus u by t, that is equals to 20 minus 10 by 10. So that is 10 by 10. This will cancel, this will be equals to 1 meter per second square. So first is 1 meter per second square. Those who got the D answer as the final answer of this question, so that is correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. Sure, that's great. Next question is, the question is saying that a bus is moving straight along a straight line of 20 meter per second, undergoes an acceleration of 4 meter per second square. So undergoes a straight line. So initials along a straight line, after 2 seconds, its speed will be. So already initial speed is given to you, that is 20 meter per second. Acceleration is equals to 4 meter per second. Time is given to you is 2 seconds, and you have to calculate the final velocity. As you can say this thing, that this question will be solved by the this questions will be solved by the first equation of motion, that is v equals to u plus at. Okay, so u is 20 into acceleration is 4 into 2, that is 20 plus 8. So that is coming out to be 28 meter per second. Okay, so which one is this? D option is correct of 28. Please let me know, everyone, if this is clear to you or not.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far to anybody? Please let me know once, Bacho.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, as you can see this thing, that we have done most of the numericals based on the equation of motion. But like I will take some more numericals, and I've also given homework questions to you, Bacho. So I'm requesting to all of you, please revise please do the homework questions as well in your notebooks, and submit the solutions of those questions. Okay. And in the next class, we will do we'll start the class with some of the questions related to this topic. And next thing we will do is the graphical representation of motion. It means that we will deal about the graphs that is there in the syllabus. 2 graphs are there: distance time graph and velocity time graph. And one more thing is there, Bacho. I will be sharing. I just wanted to ask. So there are 2 methods for the derivation of derivation of equations of motion. So derivation part, that is, first is your derivation part, algebraic method. Second one is graphical method. Yes, no assessment, Heather. In the you will be having an assessment in the next class of this topic. Okay.
Okay.
So these 2 methods are there that we use to derive the equations of motion. Okay. So so this motion graphical representation, graphical method is deleted from NCERT portion, but still some Middle East school have this topic in their syllabus. So I don't have I just wanted to ask that which of the following, so how many of you students have this topic as their syllabus? Graphical